Hello guys, thank you for tuning in for another easy recipe, chicken keema karahi. In a large skillet, heat up 3/4 cup oil, then add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and chopped green chili. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes, then add 1 cup of chopped onions. Cook for 5 minutes and then add chaat masala, kasuri methi, crushed chilies, red chili powder, black pepper, garam masala, chicken bouillon cube, flour, and salt. Mix and then add a 1/4 cup of water so that the masala does not burn. Then add tomato puree and mix well till the raw smell of the tomato puree is gone. Then add your ground chicken. Mix till well combined with gravy. Cover on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add 3 to 4 chilies, a handful of cilantro, and mix well. Cover again for one last time for 5 minutes till you see the oil rise to the top. Then garnish with cilantro, ginger slices, and green chilies. Hope you enjoyed this easy to make recipe. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to tune in next time.